And cannot tell you how much we appreciate y'all being out to support the live music artists that come and play here, the songwriters, as well as supporting GrinderHouse. We have a great show. I'm so excited. Brian and I have been talking for at least 6 months now about getting over here to play. And of course, with everything going on, you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. So let's do this. Let's remember that tonight, the next 2 hours, none of that's going on. You're at the GrinderHouse. You're here to listen to music. You're here to enjoy yourselves. And that's what's happening tonight. So without any further ado, I would love to introduce to you a really warm welcome to the plateau, Mr. Brian Ashley Jones. Brian, take it away, brother.
Thank you very much. Ooh, I gotta live up to that now. Thanks for being here, folks. I appreciate it. I'm gonna start out with one off my second record. This was called Take. Take my advice, take my car, take my wallet, you won't get far. Take me with a rain storm. Take my house, my TV. Ain't your mind if you don't just see. Ain't too much worth taking from me, except you. If you take the good and the bad, you're the only thing that I've ever had. I just don't want you. Thank you so much. Boy, it feels good to play in front of actual humans. My houseplants are sick of hearing me play the guitar. It's been a strange year, I don't have to tell you that, but it's been the least amount of traveling and performing I've ever done in my adult life, actually, this year. So it feels good to be out and singing for you. Thanks for being here to listen. I'm going to do one for you that was on my most recent CD. This is a song called Free to Miss You. I got lucky and had this song placed in a television show over in England a couple years back. I was playing a show at the Bluebird Cafe one night in Nashville, and just like the legendary status of that room, there happened to be a television producer and actress in the room, and they wound up using this song in a television show they were producing over in England. So, the times I've toured over in England has always been interesting because I don't speak the language, but they put up with me. This thing on? So yeah, it's always nice when someone picks it up and you tune to put it in a movie or TV show. This one's called Free to Miss You, and it goes a lot like this. Something about the way you look tonight fills my eyes. It takes me to another place and time in my life. You were one I'd never leave behind. I lied, like I've done times before, and I go blind, run on out the door. Just to find we went out and found some lives, and I'm free to miss you. Free to miss you, I'm free to miss you. Now I'm gone. What a surprise to run into you in this part of night. Say it's alright. I might decline. I don't think I can turn off my mind this time. I've been there twice before, and now I'm inclined to run on out the door. 'Cause I'm running free. I got just one cloud hanging over me. Why you miss me? Now we're a couple on, girl, just to find we went out and found some lives, and I'm free to miss you. Free to miss you, I'm free to miss you. Now I'm gone. You know I'll never forget you, girl, you win. But I'll never forget myself again. 'Cause I'm running free. I got just one cloud hanging over me. While you miss me, and I will couple on, girl, just to find we went out and found some lives, and I'm free to miss you. 'Cause I'm free to miss you, I'm free to miss you. Now I'm gone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any questions? All right, good. Moving along now. This is the sexy hat section over here. I like that. We have meetings on Tuesdays. Can't help ourselves. I want to give you the title track of my most recent record here. This one, I do co-write a fair amount. It's one of the great things about living in Nashville, Tennessee. Is there's so many other songwriters around that get together and, you know, tell lies too, swap stories, whatever, go fishing, whatever, you know, occasionally write a song. And I wrote this with one of my favorite songwriters and singers, Miss Susie Ragsdale. She's fantastic. She's a Nashville native. Grew up in town. It's kind of a rarity to meet around there. But she is just a wonderful writer. She's had her songs cut by Dirk Bentley and lots of other famous folks. You know, real honor to write some tunes with her. This one we wrote together, and it became the title track of my most recent record. It's called Out of the City. It goes like this. Gotta get out of the city if you want to see the stars. If you want to see them shining full of buildings in the car. If you want to see their light, take a trip into the dark. Get out of the city if you want to see the stars. Don't get me wrong, I like the city fine. I couldn't wait to get here once upon a time. I'm gonna watch the night. Said I was way off track when I swore I'd never come back. Cross the county line, but now I'm fine. Gotta get out of the city if you want to see the stars. If you want to see them shining full of buildings in the car. If you want to see their light, take a trip into the dark. Get out of the city if you want to see the stars. Bye-bye Broadway, my second home. I'll be back on Monday, so I'll leave the lights on. I got thoughts and things that I'm gonna shine and drink. I'm gonna live my 40 wings, and you'll never know I'm gone. I won't be long. Gotta get out of the city if you want to see the stars. If you want to see them shining full of buildings in the car. If you want to see their light, take a trip into the dark. Get out of the city if you want to see the stars. The stars shine brighter and the grass looks greener. It's so sweet and the water runs cleaner. The hustle and the bustle of the city makes you meaner. Don't take the time to be a lover and a dreamer. Gotta get out of the city if you want to see the stars. If you want to see them shining full of buildings in the car. If you want to see their light, take a trip into the dark. Get out of the city if you want to see the stars. Gotta get out of the city if you want to see the stars. If you want to see them shining full of buildings in the car. If you want to see their light, take a trip into the dark. Get out of the city if you want to see the stars. If you want to see their light, take a trip into the dark. Get out of the city if you want to see the stars. Thank you. Yeah, if you get a chance, Google my friend Susie Ragsdale. She helped me write that one. And she spells it S-U-Z-I. Great singer, great songwriter. You know, while I'm doing title tracks, I'm going to go ahead and do you the title track of the album previous to that one as well. This one's called Courier. And I remember I did some advertisements when I first released it in a Music Row publication there in Nashville. And the name of the album was Courier. And some of my friends thought I had started a courier business around Nashville. I was like, no, that's my record, man.
I mean, I will drive you across town if you need me to, but I should have been more specific with my advertising, I guess. Live and learn, right? I actually wrote this majority of this song while driving down I-40. I don't recommend that necessarily. Disclaimer. But that's the way it happened. It's called Courier. It goes a lot like this.
I ran track in high school, wore out my ankles bleed. I ran from the dogs, tore my pants, all piece of the little reed. But I ain't never born like I do for you, huh? A whole lot of work on me. I'm a courier for your love, running for your company. Whenever you hired me in transit, love for my busy work and speed. I handle a lot of your baggage. But now I found that losing ground. I can't keep up the scene. I'm a courier for your love, and I'm running for your company. All these flowers and telegrams from the little boys like me. The competition's getting fierce through space, land, and sea. But ain't no rain, no speed and slow, putting the brakes on me. I'm a courier. Dodging all these potholes, God's taking its toll on me. I'm chasing it down the freeway, and every dark side street. Look for your heart and mind, I gotta make it on time, and I can't be late, you see. 'Cause I'm a courier for your love, I'm running for your company. Baby, running for you is hard to do, but I deliver anything you want me to. 'Cause you know, baby, I ain't never saying a pain as cute as you. Well, it's a special delivery, handle with care. Won't you give me that COD? 'Cause an errand boy can't make it far on your generosity. I've done my best, but without no rest, you just throw some change on me. I'm a courier for your love, and I'm running for your company. Yeah, I'm a courier for your love, I'm running for your company. When I'm a courier for your love, and I'm running for your company.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, I'm going to do one off the newest record. I can't say new record anymore, but it's the newest. I do have a bunch of new songs that I haven't recorded yet, and I'm looking forward to doing that. And you'd think I would have made better use of the last few months and done that, but, had other things on my plate. But I'm excited to have some new songs. This is not one of them. It's off the newest record, right? This is one I wrote with Jonelle Mosser, who is one of my favorite singers around Nashville. You guys are from the Nashville area, right? You probably seen Jonelle out and about somewhere along the line. She is one of the best singers, I think, alive. She's just unbelievable. She has worked as a background vocalist with names like Etta James and B.B. King and Waylon Jennings, who are just like iconic country and blues artists. Have used her as a background vocalist, and of course she's got her own band too, which is fantastic. But anyway, her name's Jonelle Mosser. I would highly recommend you check her out. She and I wrote this one together, and it is on the most recent records as well. It's called Fetch and Pale. It goes like this.
So dry, though we're thirsty for some meaning in our life. Remedy is natural, the answer is all around. Our hearts are burning and the fever is oh so high. Oh, we're yearning for the passion we deny. Ain't made it through a drought by waiting on the rain. So baby, get your loving cup and I'll help you drown the pain. Let you feel the water, baby. Let you feel me. If things still make up for all its purity, well, we'll have a drink together like no make no real tree. Let you feel the water, baby. Let you feel me. Just like Jack and Jill falling down the hill, we drop the bucket from our hands. We cannot despair, 'cause my love, I swear, we're gonna fill it up again. Yeah, we're gonna fill it up again, baby. Let you feel the water, baby. Let you feel the beat. Give thanks to the maker for all its purity. Well, we'll have a drink together tonight. Don't make no real tree. Let you feel the water, baby. Let you feel me, won't you? Let you feel the water, girl. Let you feel me, won't you? Let you feel the water, baby, won't you? Let you feel me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Do an oldish song here. This is on the second record as well. A little bit of a Texas swing vibe to this one, I guess. Anybody from Texas? There's always somebody. Yeah. Well, welcome. I spent a lot of time out touring around Texas with my band and doing solo stuff as well. Love that Texas swing sound for sure. And this was called Think It Over. Well, if I wait tomorrow, you say goodbye. I may have some sorrow, and I might even cry. Then you know I've been through a lot of things in life. Won't you stop and think it over before why? Sometimes when I'm dreaming, I recall the time got your love around me, baby. Said that you were mine. Thick and thin, stormy weather, changes in our lives. Won't you stop and think it over before why? Think it over before why? Yeah, it may make you smile when you think of all the love with me. Along the passing mile, we didn't always in the fashion, but we always rode in style. Won't you stop and think it over for a while? If you got the notion, you got time. Sit down here beside me, baby, and open up your mind. About those things that you wanted, the things you left behind. Won't you stop and think it over for a while? Think it over for a while, and it may make you smile when you think of all the love with me. Along the passing miles, we didn't always in a fraction, but we always rode in style. Won't you stop and think it over for a while?
Thank you so much.